Do you want to start your own logo business with no designing and tech skills and without paying through the nose? A logo is the reflection of the brand's identity. Quite often, it's the first thing a potential customer will notice about your business. It is a point of recognition for clients and an important foundation for the branding of your company. In fact, a logo is one of the most important branding investments a business can make. And that's why studies show that 67% of small businesses are willing to pay $500 for a logo design, and 18% of small businesses are willing to pay $1,000 for it. The reason is, logos immediately connect our minds to the business in question without needing to see its name. This type of instant recognition is the holy grail for businesses. But getting captivating logos for your businesses and web projects is not cheap and easy. Let's explore the options you have to get breathtaking beautiful logos for your businesses. Number 1. Creating and designing your own logos. You can create a logo on your own, but designing logos is plain difficult. You need creativity and designing skills. And you could be spending hours trying to figure out what colors you should use and how to do the designing part. It can be really tiresome. Number 2. Hire a logo designer. But you need to know this is very expensive. A decent graphic designer will charge anywhere between $500 to $2,000 for just one logo that may or may not fit with your business. Take a look. Pretty expensive, right? On top of that, you need to be 100% sure that the logo you are using is 100% copyright free to use as your own trademark. Miss that part and you could easily be in dire straits, such as an email from a lawyer informing you of a pending lawsuit with an immediate stop and desist letter enclosed. That can be quite scary and something that no one should have to go through. We know both these options suck. It's been a problem for quite some time now. But starting today, those worries can end forever. We take pride in presenting LogoMart, a striking collection of 500 plus pro-level logo templates in PSD, AI, JPG, and EPS file formats at a price much lower than what expected to be paid for even a single one. Forget about money-sucking graphic designers and tiresome working hours. Now, you can build logos within 5 minutes only in just 3 simple steps. Open template in your media editor. Do simple editing, save the template, and you're done. And we are also providing you with step-by-step editing tutorial videos. And the best part is, you are getting everything with an option of private label rights. That means you can sell it under your own name and generate insane profits. Considering the fact that people are willing to pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars for a single logo design, this package is a goldmine for you. No kidding, the real-world value of this package is more than $250,000. But you don't have to pay this much, not even half of it. Today you can get LogoMart at a tiny fractional amount of what you expect to pay somewhere else. And with our PLR licensing option, this is your chance to establish authority and getting more sales and making more money than you always deserve. Or imagine the hungry marketers out there running behind you with wallets open in their hand for this simple yet essential package. Innovative dream package of every smart entrepreneur is here, and it can be yours at an extremely discounted price right now. Ready to expand your business online with complete domination? Act now and get instant access to this amazing offer below.